Yeah. As I said, I finally managed to get the back off. Okay, it wasn't very clever, but at the end of the day, what I had to do was to get this piece, which is the hole, over the switch and the plug. So be careful, because it can be a little tricky. But now you have a machine totally stripped to the base. So what I was saying about the back, there isn't an awful lot that you can do from the back. You can't retime the machine, you can't retime the shuttle from the back, it's from the front, and it's over this side, over, there we go. And the other settings that you'll need to do, like the feed height and such like, are all within the area here. And on this one you've got a sprung loaded, you've got a spring here, so you'll be able to make sure that that one goes up and down. It's in a fixed position, so there's no adjustment on it. You can actually move the lateral position by, there's a screw in the center here, you see at the back, right in the back here, this one here. I'll get around the camera, sorry. You can actually see there's a screw, should be able to see if I can get the camera right on it. Screw right in the back, by the back of the motor, right down here. Let's see if I can get the camera down there. There you go. You can see the screw. That screw will allow you to move what we call the lateral position of the feed in the feed dog, in the needle plate, sorry. And so you can move it backwards and forwards, to align in the slot in the needle plate. But as I said earlier, the timing on these machines is on the eccentric cam, which is here. You've got to loosen off these screws here to do that, and then you can change the shuttle timing. So let's loosen it off and we'll see. Let's turn it towards me so I can see it. The camera may not be able to, but I can. So if we loosen off the top screw, and that's not been adjusted for a while, and there's that one. No, these haven't been moved, so I need a larger screwdriver on it. No, we aren't moving those. What you need is a larger blade screwdriver, which I don't have to be able to do it with at the moment. And you need a long handled screwdriver too. This isn't quite long enough to get some torque. But the adjusting screw, and when you see one, you'll see it's got an eccentric in the middle, and then you can move that and you'll see this shuttle driver. If you see this going backwards and forwards, this is the shuttle driver movement here. It's annoying where it is. Never were really designed to be adjusted. Whilst we've got this open, the tension unit, you can see the tension unit. If I bring the camera up a little bit higher, there's the tension unit, there's the floor, there's the tension unit, so you can see tension disc here, and the adjuster, can you see that opening? That's a tension release working. The discs are open now, and on the right hand side of the discs there is a recalibration screw. Got my thumb on it at the moment, a white piece, and you can change the amount of tension. Let's say for instance you're wanting to rebalance and recalibrate the tension on say 4, and you're doing your test with your needle deflection. You can move this one towards you, and that will increase the amount of tension. Okay, so no big problem there. No. But the most important part was getting the casing apart. So we'll shut this down now. It's not a perfect video, I'm sorry to say, because